Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Robux with Amazon Pay, guys. It's actually really easy and simple. But first I want to show you a common mistake. People come here to payment methods and try to add Amazon Pay as a here. Guys, this is not going to work because this is mostly for your debit or credit cards. You come here to add your debit or credit card, not Amazon Pay, guys. Look, if I click here on add, it's going to give me options to add my debit or credit card. Why did not it popped up and went back out? Okay, here. Credit or debit card, okay? Not Amazon Pay. This is not the way. Okay. Come here. If you want to use Amazon Pay, just click on Robux icon and click on buy Robux. Now we're gonna be redirected to another page where they're gonna show us the different packages of Robux we can buy. I will select, let's see, let it load up. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna pick this one, the $10 one Robux. Okay, I'm gonna pick this one and wait for the next page to load up where we're gonna select our payment method, guys. So here we have credit card, debit card, PayPal, Roblox card, or other. Okay, guys, this is what you want to do. Click on other, and now depending on your country, you'll see a bunch of different options. But what we're here for is Amazon Pay. So that's what we are gonna click on. Let this page load up. Okay, here we go, guys. Just click on Amazon Pay. Really that easy and simple, guys. Now, just put in your email, and they're gonna send you prompt, and you just log in through that link and you can just purchase Robux using Amazon Pay. It's actually that easy and simple, guys. If this video helps, make sure you like, comment, and if you want, you can subscribe. We have actually a Roblox auto clicker video coming up, so make sure you subscribe for that.